Building strong and capable SUVs is everyday business for the Jeep brand. And the story continues as the Jeep Compass gets built in India, for India, and the global market. To ensure that only the strongest of materials go into the Jeep Compass, we hot stamp 27 crucial parts. A process that makes the steel really strong while keeping it lightweight. As an added bonus, this also improves the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. To add to the durability of the Jeep Compass, adaptive laser weld arms meticulously weld the SUV into its final impeccable form. These lasers are the tools of heavyweights. At Jeep, we make sure that even the doors are laser welded. An industry-first process, which means that there is no compromise in strength and quality whatsoever. It is this strength that makes the Jeep Compass an engineering marvel. Perfection is nothing short of a habit at Jeep. And when it comes to making the Jeep Compass, we have global gold standards to follow. In our metrology lab, we have a perfectly built, zero-error tolerant Jeep Compass. Every part which wishes to make it to the final production has to be tested against this magnificent reference of perfection. To minimize even the slightest margin of error, we employ a diagnostic system of 34 cameras which check and recheck the Jeep at every stage. These keen automated eyes tolerate nothing, not even a blemish. Sorry. As I was saying, the Jeep Compass, passionately built for perfectionists. The Jeep Compass is being built in India as a modern, premium, global SUV. We have a premium instrument panel inside, which goes hand in hand with the intelligent tech outside. The premium interior panel is both soft to the touch and has a perfect grain, as we use a segment-first technique of negative vacuum foaming and in-grain molding to shape the panel to perfection. On the outside, this vehicle has industry-leading suspension capabilities with maximum wheel travel, as well as the segment-first frequency selective damping. This ensures a comfortable and sure-footed drive on any road with unparalleled comfort and a fine driving experience. The Jeep Compass is truly one of a kind. It's not just a peaceful cabin, which is a telling sign of how premium the Jeep Compass is. It is also the reassurance of safety. The Jeep Compass comes loaded with over 50 safety and security features, including an electronic parking brake that maximizes safety by disengaging and engaging automatically. Just like that. Remarkable, right? A cabin fit for the chosen ones. Intelligent design and engineering is what make the Jeep Compass uniquely global. The 7-speed dual-clutch system is one example of this. It provides effortless gear shifts by engaging and disengaging gears in a way that avoids any lapse in momentum, regardless of how fast you accelerate. To make every ride thrilling yet safe, the Jeep Compass comes with dynamic steering torque. So on any unpredictable surface, should the vehicle lose grip, it will intelligently manage power distribution to the wheels and stabilize the steering to ensure sure-footed and safe cornering. These are the features that provide for a thrilling yet safe ride every time you sit behind the wheel of a Jeep Compass. This is what makes the Jeep Compass thrilling yet safe. Get to know premium perfection. Know reassuring safety. Know unmatched capability. Get to know the game-changing SUV, the Jeep Compass. On Know Your Compass with me, Milind Soman.